Welcome to another episode of Heavy Duty Machines at Mighty Machine Masters. Today, we'll be looking at some amazing machines working at an incredible level. BB Umwelttechnik Clementer Kampfschwader combination. This is one of the best machines out there for agricultural haymaking. As the name indicates, this dual-purpose machine combines a Clementer and Kampfschwader to simplify tasks. The Clementer is used for churning and aerating hay, while the Kampfschwader features rotating teeth to lift, separate, and plow the hay for more drying. They both work in tandem to deliver efficient hay raking in one machine. The Kampfschwader also ensures thorough distribution for rapid moisture reduction. This dynamic duo improves productivity for professional haymakers through its diverse haymaking capabilities. Burgal Model 71300 Planter. On your screen is the Burgal 71300 Planter. It is one of the biggest planters in the world. With its massive 130-foot wide planting implement, the machine can cover a large area in a few minutes. It was designed to maximize productivity and efficiency on large farmlands. Its size makes it very easy to plant crops quickly over an expansive land. It is the best machine out there to keep pace with the demand for crops in the market. Dino Mechanical Weed Robot by Nio Technologies. What you're seeing is a brilliant weeding robot produced by Nio Technologies. The Dino Mechanical Weed Robot shows the rise of machines that can emulate human cognitive and physical functions. This advanced robot can autonomously perform critical tasks across the entire crop production cycle. It boasts state-of-the-art tech ranging from machine learning, reasoning, and perception to motion control and monitoring. This machine eliminates back-breaking work on form as it can take over human work effectively. Dino's dexterity and smartness make it a transformative invention in the agricultural industry. Potato Planting Machine. The potato planting machine turns planting potatoes into a fun task with its smart design. It makes the process enjoyable, transforming what used to be a tedious labor into a delightful experience. Anyone, even a child, can easily plant acres with enthusiasm. Just load the sacks of potatoes and the machine does its magic. The tubers tumble down the chutes, forming neatly spaced rows effortlessly. There's no need for back-breaking digging and carrying. With its carefree operation and efficient results, producers can spend less time planting and more profiting from their crops. Lasole Drainage Machine. Lasole Drainage Machine is your go-to when you need top-notch drainage. It works well and gets the job done efficiently. This strong machine can handle tough soil conditions and makes perfect channels. With its power and precision, it creates strong underground drainage systems without wasting materials. It cuts smooth trenches for pipes, making installation quick. Lasole can handle any drainage problem, even in the muddy fields. It's a reliable drainage dynamo. Tree Moving Machines. Moving trees becomes amazingly simple with this clever machine. Its large speed easily punctures the earth, encompassing the tree's entire root system. Using hydraulic power, the machine gently lifts the tree, roots and all, within minutes. The fast and non-invasive process of the spade preserves the integrity of the root ball, minimizing disturbance compared to manual digging. This machine revolutionizes tree moving with its swift capture method, insert, lift, and go, without harming the critical roots essential for healthy growth. By mimicking natural root extraction quickly, it enables the rapidly yet gentle relocation of mature trees. Thanks to this transformative technology, moving trees is damage-free, fast, and uncomplicated. Nexat Tractor. This tractor is one of Germany's finest. The revolutionary Nexat Universal Tractor system aims to replace an entire fleet with just one machine with different functions. This multifunctional tractor has changeable implements for plowing, sowing, harvesting, and fertilizing. The machine operates unmanned, utilizing integrated monitoring and process controls. There's a rotating cab that allows manual operation as well, but this is used when transporting the tractor. Nexat delivers all-in-one functionality to make agricultural processes simpler. This effectively eliminates the need for having several specialized equipment. Ecoflow Blade Robotic Lawnmower. Introducing the Ecoflow Blade Robotic Lawnmower, a one-of-a-kind revolutionary device with unmatched capabilities. This intelligent machine goes beyond ordinary mowing, featuring advanced functions such as long-range sweeping and virtual boundary setting, covering an expansive 3,000 square meter yards. The blade operates fully autonomously, following preset programs tailored to each lawn. Its sweeping arms efficiently cover vast areas, navigating flawlessly and cutting paths without human guidance. Thanks to the blade's unique automation, even extra-large properties and meticulous landscaping pose no challenge to its yard work skills. Homeowners can now enjoy maximum lawn care comfort with this self-guided mowing marvel that effortlessly takes the labor out of maintaining a pristine landscape. The CV320 VLTU Machine. What you see is the CV320 VLTU Machine, which has a 320 horsepower engine, making it an excellent choice for various industrial applications. Its safe and reliable design aligns with the high standards of the construction and mining industries. It meets safety requirements and also delivers impressive work performance. Trom 8 Mulcher. On your screen is the Trom 8 Mulcher. This powerful machine is almost as unstoppable as a juggernaut once it is on the move. It obliterates bushes, trees, and branches and a fine mulch with its brute rotor rotating at high speed. It works because the rotor generates incredible suction, like the universal pull if you're familiar with Naruto. This force pulls and pulverizes plant matter. The blades and the hammers can be adjusted in this machine to customize the desired mulch. The Trom 8 makes clearing land and vegetation management faster than what you've seen before. The powerful rotor delivers an exceptional shredding performance. The XD Mobile Shears. Take a look at the XD Mobile Shears by Genesis. This machine is designed for cutting and crushing hard materials like steel, concrete, and metals. It uses advanced technology and is commonly used in the recycling and material recovery industries. Also, it is important in demolition and construction projects. The XD mobile shears contribute significantly to these industries by enhancing efficiency and reducing environmental impact. The Liebherr 916 Excavator. On your screen is the Liebherr 916 Excavator, a powerful machine in the construction and mining industry. It has an engine power of up to 150 horsepower. It proves to be a reliable choice for tasks such as digging, lifting, and transporting materials. The machine is specifically designed to operate efficiently in harsh working environments. This excavator excels in both reliability and high performance. Still in for some more machine action? Please subscribe and ring the notification bell for some more content as we move on. The Tadano GR1600 XL. Make way for the Tadano GR1600 XL mobile crane, which has an impressive maximum lifting capacity of 160 tons and can reach a height of 183 feet. The machine is powered by a 450 horsepower engine, and this crane operates with strength and flexibility. This makes it well suited for various lifting tasks on construction sites. The Tadano GR1600 XL proves to be a crucial tool for optimizing the lifting and moving of large materials in a range of construction projects. Its capabilities significantly enhance efficiency and effectiveness in handling substantial loads on construction sites. The Kemroc ground wheel concrete. The Kemroc ground wheel concrete cutter is a tool designed for cutting and removing concrete surfaces. With a powerful engine and flexible rotation capability, this machine facilitates rapid and precise concrete cutting. Its significant role in preparing surfaces before construction and infrastructure improvement makes it a valuable asset for various projects. The Komatsu 22H and 18H graders. The Komatsu 22H and 18H graders stand are reliable machines in the construction industry. They feature a 150 horsepower engine, and they possess the strength to handle many situations in construction projects. These graders work in varied earth environments, crucial in shaping the necessary land surfaces for construction and road projects. The Komatsu 22H and 18H graders are dependable partners in construction projects, especially when equipped with a bucket that can hold up to tens of cubic meters. A fantastic machine. The Caterpillar 789 AC mining truck. The Caterpillar 789 AC mining truck is a formidable vehicle in the mining industry. Specifically designed for transporting bulk minerals with a high capacity, boasting a robust engine, substantial weight, and an impressive payload capacity, this truck fulfills the requirements for efficient transportation of materials in mining operations. Tesmec. In the demanding environments of mining and construction, Tesmec serves as specialized equipment designed for rock breaking and crushing. Commonly mounted on a base vehicle, it incorporates a dedicated rolling system to effectively crush and break rocks into smaller pieces, producing high-quality construction materials. Tesmec plays a crucial role in meeting the rigorous demands of the construction and mining industries by facilitating efficient rock processing. The Mercedes-Benz Actros 4163. The Mercedes-Benz Actros 4163 stands as a heavy-duty haulage truck specifically designed for transporting massive excavation equipment. This truck has a maximum gross weight of 250 tons, making it well suited for carrying enormous machinery and materials. The Actros 4163 offers reliability and strength and is capable of hauling tasks. The Curt System. Take a look at the Curt System, which is a modern horse training machine designed to guide young horses through a rigorous training process with close supervision and control. Accommodating up to 10 horses, it allows them to run at speeds ranging from walking to a fast 30 miles per hour on a 1-mile-long circular track. This system contributes to enhancing the health and physical development of the horses. Additionally, the machine comes with advanced medical technology to monitor vital parameters such as heart and respiratory rates, as well as bone and muscle development. The Nexat Sprayer. The Nexat Sprayer is vital in modern agriculture. Serving irrigation and pesticide spraying needs to protect crops and enhance productivity. With an impressive capacity of up to 1100 horsepower, this machine can spray 17,000 liters of water per use. Featuring a width of up to 56 meters and a modern electronic injection system. It ensures accurate and even spray density across the treated area. The Nexat 56M efficiently irrigates large areas, minimizing time and costs for farmers. The Wirtgen WR2400. The Wirtgen WR2400 is a powerful road construction machine specifically utilized for soil stabilization and road surface recycling in large-scale construction projects. With an engine power of approximately 610 horsepower and an operating weight of 56 to 60 tons, this machine can work at various depths. Its crucial role in enhancing road infrastructure and optimizing the reuse of materials makes it a valuable asset in construction and road development. Meripeat Lump Peat Machine. Before you is the Meripeat, a super powerful lump peat machine equipped with a reliable disc cutter. This machine operates with enough power to cut through any wood. The disc cutter efficiently slices the peat from the soil, feeding it into the extruder where it is pressed to produce lump peat. Additionally, the machine can be equipped with a unique roller that compacts and smoothens the unevenness left by the tractor wheels. In this case, the lump peat is laid on an even and clean base, simplifying the drying process. The Meripeat provides a comprehensive solution for peat extraction and processing. The Milling Rotor Snowblowers. The milling rotor snowblowers have played a crucial role in tackling the significant snow removal challenge on the Corinthian side of the Grossglockner High Alpine Road. This road is buried under 20 meters of snow for approximately 6 months yearly. Since the road's opening in 1935, snow clearing has been a major undertaking. However, introducing milling rotor snowblowers in 1953 marked a turning point, making the snow removal process much more efficient and effective in managing the substantial snowfall on this alpine road. That'll be all for today. Subscribe to the channel for more content.